Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Welcome to our deep dive into two popular skincare ingredients, retinol and retinol. In this video, I will explain the key differences between these powerful forms of vitamin A. Retinol is a well-known ingredient, often found in many anti-aging products. Retinol, also known as retinaldehyde, is a less common but increasingly popular option. Understanding their unique properties will help you choose the best one for your skin's needs and achieve your desired results. Let's explore how they work. The main difference lies in their conversion process within your skin. Retinol must first convert to retinol and then to the active form, retinoic acid. Retinol, however, only needs one conversion step to become retinoic acid. This streamlined process means retinol can be significantly more potent, often up to 20 times stronger than retinol. This efficiency allows retinol to deliver visible results more rapidly, making it a powerful choice for those seeking quicker improvements. Both retinol and retinol offer impressive benefits, including improving skin texture, reducing the appearance of fine lines, and boosting collagen production for firmer skin. A unique advantage of retinol is its antibacterial properties, which can be particularly helpful for individuals with blemish-prone skin. While both can cause initial irritation, such as redness or dryness, retinol is often considered to be less irritating than retinol. Always begin with a lower concentration and slowly increase usage as your skin adjusts. When choosing between retinol and retinol, consider your skin's experience and sensitivity. Retinol is an excellent starting point for beginners or those with more sensitive skin, offering effective results over time. Retinol is ideal for experienced retinoid users who desire faster, more pronounced improvements. Regardless of your choice, consistency is key. Remember to always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every single day, as retinoids can increase sun sensitivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.